Hey guys, how's it going? Today, I just want to do a quick review for you on the Amazon Basics 5000 BTU small window hair conditioner. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this unit. I thought I'd give you my 2 cents based on my experience and share what I think about it. One quick thing I should mention, I actually found a pretty good deal on this AC unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. Okay, so here's the short version of this review. For the money, there isn't a better AC unit out there. Hands down, this is the best deal in terms of price, quality, ease of use, ease of installation, and overall satisfaction. It's ice cold. It's 5000 BTUs, not the most powerful unit in the world, but if you're using this for a single room, and I'm talking a fairly large single room, up to about 15 by 15 feet, it will keep it ice cold. I mean, really cold. You could keep your room at 65 degrees Fahrenheit if you wanted to, though that's a bit extreme. Even in a larger room, it'll do a good job if you want to maintain a normal temperature, something like 75 to 78 degrees. Here's what I really like about this unit. It's quiet. I've had some really noisy window units in the past, but this one's compressor runs very quietly, and the fan is quiet too. Now, don't get me wrong. You can definitely hear it, but it's a soothing sound, not an annoying one. If that makes sense, it actually helps me sleep at night. I've had units before that were loud enough to keep me awake. This one, though, has a calm, almost relaxing hum to it. Aside from that, it's very simple to use. It has 2 dial controls on the front, one for temperature and one for the mode. Installation is easy. It comes with a quick mount kit that fits most double-hung windows. The whole setup is really straightforward. It also includes a washable filter, which is a nice bonus. And in terms of energy efficiency, this thing is amazing. It's so efficient that you'll barely notice any change in your electric bill, even if you run it 24/7. So overall, I'm extremely happy with it. For the price, you just can't beat it. There's nothing else on the market that matches it in terms of quality and cost. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.